welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making gallium crystals, or growing them if you would prefer. Gallium is an element on the periodic table that melts at only 29.7 degrees Celsius. We bought it off AliExpress, but you can also get it off places like Amazon or eBay. Our one came with a little plastic mold and a syringe. Let's get started. Today you will need some tweezers, a small container, some gallium, and another container but with hot or warm water to melt the gallium. Firstly, we need to melt our gallium. Let's put the container in our hot water and wait for it to melt. We will also take off the lid. When it's almost finished melting, there should be a tiny piece of gallium that we can get out. This will act as a seed for our crystal. So now we'll wait until it almost finishes melting. If you feel that the water that the gallium is sitting in is not hot enough, feel free to refill it with more hot or warm water. Make sure you look inside the gallium to see if there are any small pieces that haven't melted, like this one. This will act as our seed. Let's put that to the side and check if there's any more left. There's none left, so now we can get on to growing our gallium crystal. Now we're going to pour our gallium liquid into our container and wait until it cools down a little bit. So now we have to wait down until it's not too hot so it won't melt our seed crystal. To check if the gallium liquid has cooled down, you can feel it and see if it's hot or warm or cool. You want it to be cool but not solid. At the moment it's slightly warm, so we'll wait a little bit longer. So now our gallium liquid has cooled down to a nice stage. We can go in and put our little seed inside the liquid. It may float, it may not. So now we just have to wait a while until it has finished growing. Before, our liquid hadn't cooled down enough, so it was still warm and our seed crystal melted. Now that we can tell it has definitely cooled down, we can go on to putting our new seeds in. We got some new seeds from scraping the excess material off the container. So now we can put in one of our seeds. So we got our little seed and now I'm going to drop it in. So now we have to wait until it grows or melts. After 6 to 7 minutes, we can finally look at our gallium crystal. We can see that the water level, well, the gallium liquid level has dropped quite a lot, so hopefully the crystal has grown. As we can shake it, I can see a little crystal bobbing up and down. So now we're going to take it out and see what it looks like. The gallium is quite slippery, so have patience when taking it out. This is our crystal. It has nice and flat surfaces that we can see. It's nice and shiny. So now we just have to let the gallium on this crystal dry. So we're going to set it off to dry over there. With our remaining gallium liquid, we can make our little Lego creature with this mold that I got. So we're going to pour it into our little mold. It probably isn't enough because we already used it for our gallium crystal, but it's actually kind of more than enough. So what we're going to do now is we're going to spread it all over the mold, and now we can wait for that to cool down as well. been about an hour and our Gallium Lego figure has finally dried. So now we can pop it out and see what we've got. So we've got an extremely shiny metal Lego figure. We have finished our Gallium creating. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching!